Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide archived chat on WhatsApp. So guys, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Then after you have your WhatsApp opened, you can go to your settings on WhatsApp. But before it, I'm going to show you, this is my archived chat. So if we tap on this archived chat, so we'll still be able to see the archived chat. Then if we want to hide this archived chat, we can go to the WhatsApp setting. We can tap on this three dots button, then open the settings. Okay, then we're going to select the chat setting. And if you want to hide your archived chat, you can simply tap on the circle button. Okay, then we're going to go back to the previous section. Okay, and as you can see guys, now the archived chat has been hidden. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide archived chat on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.